Guess what, everyone? We're going to Summernats. Minor interruption to the video you're currently viewing. We are giving away a VL Turbo. It is now live to Australian participants only. If you want to jump on it, check it out. If you want to go dosing with the boys or go down, get a fat HSP, jump on it or become a loyalty member and support what we do down here at Keep Reet. Anyway, back to the video. 4 turbos at Summernats, boys. Let's get into it. So yeah, we've got a few things we want to do to it. We're getting it tuned, or wastegate back. We got a bunch of leftover parts from the other VL. Big cam to throw in it, inlet manifold.
Ben might even wash it.
Ben might wash it for us.
We're gonna set your mullets on fire. I hope you got them Haltech hats on because they'll be on fire too. Skid Row is in for a flame show and we, Keep It Reet, are bringing it to your door this year, next year, this year.
Exactly right, it is this year, next year, this year. So 4th to the 7th of January, the head scrutineer. What he wants from us to make it there is basically pretty simple. A mullet. He wants some heat protection over our hot side, so we're going to put some Raceworks turbo beanies on there and wrap up our dump pipe so no one can land on them. He said if someone falls over, I don't want their hand to get stuck to it because there's a lot of people falling over their own feet at some of that, believe it or not.
Yeah.
But anyway, let's get into it. First things first, give it a compression test and see how healthy this motor is. So drop a comment right now before watching any further and let us know how beautiful you think the compression results are going to be. Oh, rah, that's nasty. So much nastiness. All right. Let's play toast. Running real clean. Let's see how healthy the old Dirty 30 is. So much comp. Mate, we're just getting better as we go, that's all.
Is that how it works?
Yeah. This is one of the healthiest RB30s on the planet right now. Motor is healthy, A-OK. We can proceed with our endeavour. Next on the list, so we'll pressurise the cooling system, make sure that that's all right, and then if it's all sweet, maybe we can just drop the studs into the head, intake manifold, clean a bit of this, clean a bit of that. Wastegate, screamer pipe. Summernats did just call me, and they said you have to have a bonnet, so we're gonna have to sacrifice a VL bonnet and chop it in half, basically. So we'll make that happen too. Let's do it.
A few moments later.
PSI 60 is under the knife and she's looking better than ever. Ben's been working his magic. We got the Plasma Man from Wish on here, so you see there, it's definitely legit. No questions asked. All the mess is gone. Everything. This engine bay was very busy before and now it's very simple. It's going to be premium. We've got some levitating turbos. Only 2 at the minute, but don't worry, it's not going to stay like that. There will be 4. So Ben is whipping up some Coco's Customs quick log manis. Hit him up if you want log manifold for your VL. Cheap as chips, mate. Black Friday sale. Ben's custom log manifolds. Get in quick before they sell out.
Nah.
What else can we tell the people? What are we doing here?
Pretty much, I redid everything and made everything you made better. That's all I've done.
There was a list, but Ben washed it off, so it's not much of a list anymore.
What happened to the ARP? Oh no. It's fading away.
the studs are slowly removing themselves from the engine, but we're gonna put actual studs in it, so that's fancy. Anyway, that's it. We'll let Ben get back to it and stay tuned for Quad VL V2 coming soon.
Over 1 month later.
What do you reckon? Damn. Ben has smashed it out and gave this thing a birthday for Summernats. We had to comply with the Summernats regs, so we needed a bonnet. Doesn't matter how much of it is cut out. We needed heat wrap on all the hot stuff, so no drunken idiot falls over and burns their hand to our turbo. Let's pop the hood. Oh, Josh, come around here. Come around here. Look what else we got. Look what else we got.
So overkill.
Ooh. I see, Seb. It's not set up, but it's yeah, it needs to be set up. Got a Elite 750 sitting there, sitting pretty.
Do we need it? Nope. Do we want it? Hell
Yes. Ta-da! That's sketchy. RB30 head studs, all the Raceworks catalog, beautiful catch can, full overflow can, all their heat wrap, things, lines, fittings, silicone joiners, alloy bends, all the Raceworks goodies. Our wideband controller is from TI Performance, the Tech Edge one. Got the twin wastegates, bloody work of art if you ask me. 1000cc injectors, all in here. We've got a little cheeky valve. I don't know if you can see that. See that? I'll give you one guess what that does, Joy.
More air. Oh, there we go.
Oh! It's air, Joy. Basically, that runs into there. That feeds our 6-inch dump pipe with fresh air. So that's our fresh air valve. So we can shut it off when we want to make boost. Then when we want to shoot the big flames, we open it and it pushes fresh air in there, because then you can add fuel and shoot big flames. That's how it shoots big flames. It's pretty cool. It's looking the part. We got a battery relocated. We'll go have a look. You know, nothing but the best. Rocking that Optima red top. Ooh. You can pick one up for yourself from your local auto barn.
Wow.
Optima red top with the Raceworks billet tray and bracket. I absolutely love this setup. Not bad for the old bush pig. Oh well. That's it. Let's get this thing on a trailer, head down to BSC Performance and see what power we can push. We're here with the man himself, Bolger from BSC Performance. How you going, mate?
Pretty good, mate. How you going?
Yeah, good, mate, good. So, what's your thoughts on this thing we've brought in here today?
Well, it's a contraption, that's for sure. Bit of a Frankenstein. But, I mean, it's going to do its job, isn't it? Shoot flames and make boost and hopefully do a skid.
Do you want to let everyone in on your little secret plans that you got in the works? Something you might be bringing out at some point soon to compete with this monstrosity? Or is it top secret?
Look, it's pretty top secret, but it might be a quad turbo LS. Maybe.
So follow BSC on Instagram and Facebook if you want to keep up to date with what they're getting up to, and you might start doing some YouTube videos soon.
Maybe.
There's going to be some cool stuff coming. So yes. Anyway, let's get it. Let's fire her up. More boost, baby, let's do it. Even with like 20-pound spring pressure in there, because of the back pressure, it's running like 6 or 7 PSI. third gear is letting go. Something is letting go in the gearbox. So we're doing pulls in second, and let's get some more boost into it. More clicks. Not bad, 180 kilowatt. We're getting there, more boost, mate, more boost. Oh. Yeah, crank it. That works! It's so hard not to just keep going. The auto hated that. 219.8 kilowatts, plus another 50 because the auto's robbing us of power. So technically it made 350 kilowatt. We come on strong, straight up to 16 and a half. 16, 20 PSI, and then it goes, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, and then, yeah. So the auto hates it, but it sounds insane. There we go. Heard it here first. Feels strong and it feels fresh. That's what we want. Sounds like it's making 600 PSI, so I'll take it. The wastegate's a premium. If we get bored on the last day at Summernats, that boost controller's probably going to get a couple more turns in it, and we'll see what she can do. That's it. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button and stay tuned. The next time you'll be seeing this weapon will be at Summernats, Skid Row, popping tyres. So hopefully we'll see some of all of you there, and till next time.
What have you done?
Ah, damn it! The diff, no more. She's a single peeler. Oh well, redemption soon.
Wonder what car his boyfriend drives.
The next day.
And everybody looking at me while I got them all in my sights. Picking them off, taking them out, looking like daylight in the night. And I'm killing so many if they really wanna get involved. And everybody falling from the elevator, now I'm Bray Rice in this. It's like I'm rice and take a bite, it's nice and I have a nice time with it. By the time that it finds the way to the right side of him, not even a Heimlich can save him. A selective finger to you imbeciles. Tell me what's been getting into you. I don't give a damn, like an auto with no time to kill. I've been feeling like the opposite of work, it's a work. And I've never been a purposeful thing to me. I just do what I love and it works for me. So I'm
Since the dyno, we fixed the diff, and we better go see what this thing can do. So let's go.
Vision is really good.
Yeah, just cruising. Go down to the local HSP spot. Well, it moves. It's definitely not that quick.
That's not fast. It's better than what it was.
It felt like it was mainly auto slip.
Surely there'll be YouTube. Kids. Better do it for the kids.
Brendan. At least we've got fans. We sort of need the sun to be out and stuff to smoke about. But kind of don't care, because skids. Anyway, see you in the next one.